Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover Chime account without email. First thing I want you to do, once you launch up Chime here on the home page, I want you to click here on Help, which says Need Help. I want you to click on that. And then here in this section, what I want you to do is choose. I forgot my email address, so choose this option, and then what they'll ask you to enter the phone number that is actually linked to your account, and they'll send you a link to recover your email. So just go ahead and paste in your phone number here. You can type it in as well. Then click here on Submit, and then you'll get your email address sent as a notification here as well. Can also get a text message from Chime, and then what you need to do is just go ahead and call them to verify your identity, right? You can also go ahead and just use your email. Since now you have your email, you can go ahead and log anything you know the password. But if you actually forgot the password, you just call them on this number or send them an email as well. If you found this out, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. The channel really helps me out as well.